I'm Rebecca. I was looking for a new door because we recently had our windows painted and wanted a fresh look for our house. My friend recommended Endurance doors to me. They recently had their door changed and used them and were saying how wonderful they were. Security was really important for me because I have a young family and sometimes I'm on my own with my 3 girls in the house, and it's nice just to know that we have a safe door so that I can lock and keep us all safe. When I was designing my door, the Sanford Georgian door really stood out. It was just what I was looking for. It had a real country feel to it, and I felt that it would really fit in with the style of the house. I felt that the colour of the door really blended in nicely with the colour of the brick and the stone walls around the house. It gave a real nice soft feel to the outdoor space. My favourite things about my Endurance door is the colour. I absolutely love the colour. The style of the door, it gives just enough light through into the hallway, but I've still got the privacy with the windows, and the soft close touch is really nice. You don't have to slam the door. H&S installations were really easy to deal with. They were a pleasure to have. They came, they fitted the door, it was on really quickly, there was no mess, no fuss, just a friendly atmosphere, and they tidied up after themselves too. I would definitely recommend Endurance doors to my friends and family, and I'm looking forward to getting our next side door done with them too.